Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now, Happy Mail time again. We've got some more Happy Mail and I have a guest who sent this. Claire Sarsfield. Now Claire and I have been chatting quite a little bit. She sends me a little message saying, I've been buying yarn and I've ordered you some and I'm sending it to you. She's unbelievable. She's a wonderful, wonderful person. She really is one of these amazing, amazing people. Now I'm just going to slice this off the middle and we'll have a little look and see what she's been sending today. See what she's been sending. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. She's been in Hobbycraft. In the UK, our shop is called Hobbycraft. It does all the hobby things and the yarns and everything. Look at this. It's not like in America where we have like your Joann's and all your other ones like that, and they sell yarn in your Walmarts and all your other shops like that. A lot of ours is done online in the UK. There is a lot of small independent shops, but there isn't any near me. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Do you remember that blanket I did in the gold? And I asked her where she got it because I really liked it. But oh my gosh, look at this. This is a Women's Institute. It's soft and smooth, and that's exactly what it is. Oh my gosh, it's like a big roll of gold. Look at that. Now this one's colour is, if I can find it, mustard. It says it's mustard, but my goodness, it looks like gold rather than mustard. I think I would call it gold rather than mustard. Look at that. Not a lot of people like mustard in itself. Look at that, 400-gram ball. And what they do is they take money from the sale of these and it's given to the National Federation of Women's Institutes. This is absolutely amazing. It's beautiful. It tells you to use a 5mm crochet hook. Now there's 660 meters in this. 100% acrylic. It's done by Hobbycraft UK. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at all of these. I'll pop that there. Look at this one. This is absolutely beautiful. It's so pretty. This is so soft. So soft. It's beautiful. This one's colour is marrow. It says it's marrow. That is beautiful. And then there's a pinkish one of it. Oh, that looks like ice cream. So when you get that strawberry ice cream. Oh, that's so nice. This one's just called pink. Oh, it deserves a better name than pink, doesn't it? That's beautiful. It is. It looks like sort of pistachio type of colours. Look at this. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Claire. This one is, where's the colour on it? This one's called Teal. And it's the Women's Institute, and you get them in Hobbycraft. This Women's Institute, you get it all over the place, I think, but Hobbycraft sell lots of it. It's beautiful. It's really soft as well. Thank you very much, Claire. Thank you so much. Look at this. That's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. And of course I've got a blanket lined up for it as well. I've got a great big list of blankets to do, so I have. But Claire, thank you so much. You're so generous. You're unbelievably generous. You really are. And I think you're an amazing friend. You really are. even though we've never met each other, you're just absolute turning it, but amazing friend. This is so, so kind of you. Thank you so, so much. And I just don't know how to repay you. I really don't. It's the same with all the donations and the people who are either buying new yarn like this or having a D-stash. The only way I can ever repay you is to say thank you. Thank you so, so much. This is absolutely amazing. This is beyond this. It's absolutely amazing. And thank you so, so much. The noise in the background, smelling his usual box. He's always got a box to play with. And he's totally oblivious with that, with these ball ones driving in it. But thank you so, so much, Claire. And as always, if you like the Happy Mail videos, at the end of the video, I'll tell you my email address. If you've got any D-stash or any yarn that you no longer want and you want to pass it on to someone that can use it, then just send it to me. Some of the D-stash that you send to me, then my sister, she crochets as well, and she does it for charity, and she makes little granny squares and things, and then hands them into local nursing homes. It does get used. All this yarn does get used, believe me, it does. So thank you once again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Just click on that subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting and lovely Happy Mail, lovely Happy Mail. I need to go and have a cup of coffee now. This is quite emotional, this. So thank you very, very much. Until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.